Tired of setting up Python environment? It can be a real headache, right? Dealing with dependencies, different versions. Oof. But what if I told you there's an easier way, a much easier way to start coding in Python? In this video, we will explore GitHub Codespaces, your free cloud-based Python development environment. Think of it like a ready-to-go kitchen for cooking up your Python code. First thing first, you need a GitHub account. If you don't have, you can create one. Now let's find a Python repository. For this example, I'm using a simple Python tutorial repository where I have a hello world program inside that. See this green code button, click it, click on code spaces and click on create code space on main. GitHub Codespaces will spin up a virtual machine in the cloud, pre-installed with everything you need for Python development. While that's setting up, it usually takes few minutes. Think of Codespaces like having your own personal computer in the cloud dedicated to coding. No more cluttering your own machine with different Python versions and libraries. Wow, our Codespace is ready. See, it's got a built-in code editor, a terminal, and all the essential tools. Let's open our Python file. See, this is our simple hello world statement. Now let's run this simple hello world program in the terminal by typing python hello.py. Hit enter. You can see the hello world is printed in our terminal. Just like that, you are coding in Python without any local setup. Isn't that amazing? You can explore files, use the terminal like your local machine, install dependencies using pip, and even debug your code. Codespaces also integrates with popular extensions like VS Code extensions, making your code experience even more smoother. GitHub Codespaces is a game changer for beginners. It's free for a certain amount of usage, making it perfect for learning and experimenting with Python. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Python with GitHub Codespaces. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!